Here's how to make your kid really good at algebra. The program is called Hands-On Equations, and we use pawns to represent x's. This is a distributive property, but the kids can see it's also repeated addition. It's 2x plus 1 twice, which is the same thing as 4x plus 2. And that equals 3x's plus 8. You can remove the same thing from both sides. So let's take 3 pawns away from both sides. That leaves 1 pawn plus 2 equaling 8. Now we can remove a value from both sides, which in this case will be 2. So I'm left with pawn equals 6. And the solution, you plug the 6 back in for each pawn to see if it's still in balance. So 6 3 times plus 8 is 26, and 6 times 4 plus 2 is also 26. That means you found the correct solution. Please like and follow for more. Next time we'll be talking about the pawn and its nemesis, the white pawn.